Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make carrot oil yourselves. Stay till the end to get it right. Ingredients: 1 pound of carrot, 2 cups of coconut oil or any oil of your choice. To make carrot oil yourself, follow the instructions below. 1. Clean and scrape off the carrot by using a potato peeler or a knife. 2. Grate the carrot by using a food processor or a grater. 3. Place a pot on a low heat and add coconut oil or any oil you're using in the pot. Add the grated carrot. You can also use a slow cooker to infuse the carrot oil. The point of using low heat or slow cooker is not to cook the nutrients in the carrot. 4. Mix the shredded carrot with oil and let the carrot absorb all the oil. 5. Leave the mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes, check and stir. 6. Allow the carrot to infuse for another 10 minutes. 7. Take it off the heat and let it cool down. 8. Strain the oil by using a sieve to separate the oil, and bottle it up. Your carrot oil is ready. After you're done and you're ready to use the carrot oil, you can mix it with a few drops of essential oil like rosemary, lavender oil, vitamin E. You can also add the carrot oil to your body, hair cream, or shea butter. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel.